How's it going, YouTube? So, not that I really needed any more wrenches, but I got a set. Just got these Matco 12-piece long metric combination wrench set, SMC WLM 12. Goes from 8 to 19. Comes in this plastic case. I've already been messing with them, so they got some smudges on them. Try a different one. Well, they all like that. Well, see that? Let me see if that wipes off. Alright, whatever's on them wipes off, but yeah. It's on there pretty good. They got they're engraved. There's probably already a bunch of videos of these. One of the cheapest wrench sets they have. They go for, I think, retail around $150. I'm gonna compare them to a couple other wrenches. Our Matco Capri and Sunex. They are longer than normal wrenches. I have a few proto wrenches, so let's compare this. Yeah, a lot longer. Now my Sunex wrenches are pretty long too. But unfortunately, they have the laser, which makes me dislike them. They do have the V shape and got the teeth kinda too. The Matco doesn't have none of that on this set, but they're made in Taiwan. Okay, sure. That was almost a deal breaker, but got a reversible ratcheting set coming too. So, not a bad set. I really like the case. No skips. But yeah, on to the restoration. Very interesting pliers. They say X90 made in USA, and that's the only writing on them. They're in pretty rough shape. Look like they were used fairly good. I also got these, I guess they're cutters on the side. And I have no idea who makes these or whatever, but I'm gonna see if I can get them looking good. See what it looks like after I hit the wire wheel. Alright, I got most of the rust off. I'd use a Dremel tool on a lot of it. I didn't notice it had cutters on the inside too. They may be different sizes, I can't tell. But this has a lot of pitting. It's going to be quite difficult because you can't do a lot of this with an angle grinder or any kind of belt sander. Some of it I can. But picked another difficult one. I guess we'll see what it looks like when we're done. How's it going? I finished this. Check it out. Really like it. I think I did alright. It ain't perfectly mirrored, but looks really good. Put some lime green in the letters. The handle's really even. It's got these, I guess you would call them wire cutters. I'm not really sure if that's what they are, but there's 3 of them on here. X90. Don't know nothing about them, but mostly used angle grinder and belt sander, 1x30, and a little bit of Dremel tool. And that's the result. Thanks. Subscribe.